Okay, progress update with the XJ81. We have got the suspension all reassembled now, all bar the springs, which I'm having to hire the JD115 spring compression tool to put the springs back in. Other than that, everything else has been completed. We have new shock absorbers, genuine Jaguar. We have new bushes in our top swinging arms, new anti-roll bar bushes there, and we've got new drop links in there too. And also new track rod ends for the steering rack. So pretty much everything apart from the bottom bushes and the ball joints being changed there. About to put the discs and calipers and everything back together, but just before I do, I did mention that I'd speak to you regarding the 6-litre brake discs being a different size to the standard ones, and I've got a couple here just to show you. These are original Jaguar 6-litre XJ66 or XJ12 brake discs, and as you can see, 29.7 showing on the tape measure, and if we go to the ones that was on it, you see it's just 29. So it's only 7mm difference, but I'm not sure whether there's any difference in the thickness of the discs. I mean, obviously those have worn quite badly compared to the new ones. There's a considerable amount of metal on those. Other than that, and this one doesn't have a screw hole in it for the discs to hold onto the hole. This one does, but as you can see, these are the genuine Jaguar ones with the green coating on. I think I promised to get the last pair of those. Anyway, so that's that. But the problem was, obviously, these are the pads that was taken off it, and as you can see, what's happened is, because the disc is smaller, it's worn the pad and not taken the top part of the pad off. So that's your extra 7mm. You can see. So there you go. That's the situation with the discs. So we're about to put all the discs and calipers back together. I'll give you an update when we get that done. Okay, final check-in on the suspension rebuild. Everything is now back in place. We have the new discs on. The shoes inside were fine, very clean actually. Just clean them up a little bit more and put the new discs on, the reconditioned calipers, the new pads, new shock absorber in there. Everything was all scraped back and, if you remember, de-rusted, rust-proofed, painted, wax oiled, so we got plenty of protection under there. And I've got a bolt missing there. I get one of those from a donor vehicle. So that's the back. Oh, that's all done. Move along to the front. Here we are. Anyone who's read my Frankie XJ40 recommissioning video might remember these. These were something that I found out about were only fitted on the American XJ40s with the diamond cut painted cross spoke alloys on the Van den Pla version, and I thought, what a good idea, because it stops the brake dust coming through to the wheels. So I managed to source some. I managed to get some in the end from Holland. I think they were the last ones, and I bought all the stock. And these two are I've got two more after these two. They're going here. I don't know, I'll keep them for something or other. Back ones don't really need because there's not that much dust, but the front ones, obviously, they do the lion's share of the work. So that's what these are. They're fitted also onto the other one too. So because that's actually got the cross-spoke alloys on. Anyway, that's the cover there. It's a simple thing, but it's brilliant. With our discs in place now, calipers all in, original pads, Jaguar ones, front and back. And a Jaguar shock absorber there will cost a lot of money, that baby. And the springs are all in now. Use the spring compression tool as previously mentioned. Did the job. It was a bit awkward to jack the car right up in the air to get the bar clearance on the floor, but anyway, done now. So that's that. So next job now, just quickly show you the other side. It's exactly the same. Next job now is to rebuild all the front wheel arches on the front end, which is a slightly more complex task than doing the boot, which I'll show you on another video. So that's that. So now we've got to put all the plastics, well, we've got to fit the wings on with the indicators, make sure all the shut lines are okay, fit those on, then put all the liners in, put the front bumper on, all the bits and pieces underneath there, and then basically rebuild the front end. So that's next, but I'm quite looking forward to it because it's going to transform the look of the car, make it look a bit more like an XJ40 that we know and love. So there you go, signing off.